Hello everybody, welcome back. Since there were no major changes since the last video, today I'm going to talk mostly about XRP. Let's start with a market overview. So, as XRP is still getting ready to hit $2.50, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stocks remain stable or move higher. If XRP manages to close over the $2.50 resistance, then we could see a new all-time high very quickly after that. And together with XRP, Algorand, Hedera, and XLM will follow. Although if broader markets, Bitcoin, stocks, fall, XRP will likely follow suit. XRP/USDT dollar pair overview. Weekly chart outlook. XRP is attempting to break out of a long-term descending channel. Weekly resistance/support levels. At $2.20, we got a 21 exponential moving average at $2.42, 20 moving average, and at $2.50 natural resistance. A weekly close above $2.50 or even $2.42 would confirm bullish momentum and possibly initiate a larger breakout. Daily chart. XRP is holding above all major moving averages. Price is around $2.45, with resistance at $2.50 and $2.60, previous highs. A pump signal has been active since XRP hit $2.45. 4-hour chart. XRP has had a golden cross and a retest, suggesting potential for a V-shaped recovery. Some hidden bearish divergence hints at a possible pullback to $2.31 to $2.28. Potential by /trade zone. XRP/BTC pair. XRP and Bitcoin pair shows which of these coins are performing better and doesn't necessarily indicate their price in dollars. Weekly chart shows a golden cross, which is bullish. A potential 12 to 21% pullback into the golden cross area could offer a strong bounce. Daily and 4-hour charts. Bearish, losing moving averages, facing resistance and multiple death crosses. Short signal currently active. So, while XRP might be performing a bit slower in the short term, it is currently more likely that it will outperform Bitcoin in a longer time frame. Basically, once Bitcoin hits its all-time high, XRP should still be moving upwards. XRP dominance chart. This chart depicts how XRP is performing against all other cryptocurrencies. XRP dominance is at a key support zone, 4 to 4.5%. Shows bullish divergence on RSI and money flow index. Indicates potential for XRP to gain relative strength in the altcoin market. Note, dominance does not always mean price increases. Could mean other coins perform worse. Conclusion. Tether pair looks bullish. Bitcoin pair is mixed, weak short term, strong longer term. XRP dominance supports a reversal, possibly leading to better performance. Overall, XRP looks good. Not a guaranteed big profit, but certainly stronger than many alternatives. Here are today's top 10 coins for investment. Number 10, Cardano. Current price, $0.821. Market cap, $28.8 billion. Cardano focuses on scalability and sustainability, with ongoing developments aimed at enhancing its smart contract capabilities. Number 9, Polka Dot. Current price, $4.99. Market cap, $7.8 billion. Polka enables interoperability between different blockchains, positioning itself as a key player in a multi-chain future. Number 8, Shiba Inu. Current price, $0.0000157. Market cap, $9.2 billion. A more risky crypto coin, although it is already established as a legit cryptocurrency, not just a meme, it is still quite volatile, good for short-term positions. Number 7, Pepe. Current price, $0.0000158. Market cap, $6.6 billion. Also one of the meme coins. Pepe has been gaining a lot of hype recently and could potentially receive a massive pump. Nevertheless, I do not suggest investing big portions of your capital in this coin, since it could still be very volatile. Number 6. Dogecoin. Current price, $0.247. Market cap, $36.7 billion. Initially started as a meme, Dogecoin has maintained popularity and is often used for tipping and charitable donations. Number 5. Solana. Current price, $186.70. Market cap, $96.70. Known for its high-speed transactions and low fees, Solana continues to be a strong contender in the smart contract platform space. Number 4. Ethereum. Current price, $2,676.40. Market cap, $322.3 billion. Leader of altcoins, recently showing good strength, and is still almost 2x away from its all-time high. Number 3. Bitcoin. Current price, $111,110. Market cap, $2.2 trillion. Bitcoin has reached its all-time high and looks like it doesn't want to stop here. So if you're looking for a relatively less risky investment with great return, is the best pick. Number 2. XRP. Current price, $2.44. Market cap, $143.3 billion. Since today the whole video is dedicated to XRP, there is not much to add, but it is in a great setup and will probably reach a new all-time high soon. And number 1. Algorand. Current price, $0.244. Market cap, $2.1 billion. A coin associated with XRP and probably higher potential. It is more than 10x away from its all-time high, and it is fully possible that it will reach it or even go beyond it this year. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.